Welcome students, your new lesson, lesson number 6, natural disaster. Lesson number 6, natural disaster. For this, everybody come to page number 224. When our life is in harmony with nature, things to be smooth and pleasant. When living things on earth become victim of nature's fury, we say that natural disaster has happened. These natural disasters, mainly the natural disasters are earthquake, floods, cyclone, tidal waves and drought. These are the some natural disasters. One by one, we are going to discuss these things. You know, student, what is earthquake? Earthquake means an earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by movement or vibration deep inside the earth, that is earthquake. The earth's upper layer, the crust, is made up of small and large plates. Everybody come to page number 224. The layers of the earth under the plates are hot and in molten state because of core. Below is extremely hot. These layers under the plates are constantly moving. Usually, such movement cause the plates to slide smoothly against each other. That's why when these vibration or movement causes, then earthquake caused. This earthquake is very harmful for the life also, people also and properties also. What are the harmful effects of this earthquake? Come to page number 224. When an earthquake lasts for some time, structures shatter, rod cracks and communication system collapse. There is a loss of life and property also. The earthquakes are measured in the Richter scale. The scale was invented by Charles Richter in 1935. What are the importance of this Richter scale? Please see, the Richter scale starts from magnitude 1 and upward. Earthquake of magnitude 1 or 2 can hardly be felt, but those of 3 or 4 can be felt. The ones that measure 5 or more cause major damage. That's why earthquake is very harmful for life also and property also. Earthquake generate waves that travel all over the earth. They can be detected with an instrument called seismograph. The seismograph consists of a frame, a spring, a stone and a drum, paper and a pen. As the earth trembles, the spring moves the pen and over the paper wrapped on the drum. This reading or pattern obtained on the paper is called seismogram. People who study earthquake are called seismologists. Clear everybody this earthquake? Now next one, floods or cyclone. You know what is floods? The water flows into nearby land causing floods. The water flows into nearby land causing floods. Come in page number 225, floods and a cyclone. There is so much water in the rivers that many of them the water level rises above the banks. The water flows into the nearby the land causing a flood. It damages crop, house, road, property, etc. And they just stop communication also. In coastal areas, flooding is often caused by cyclones. A cyclone, what is cyclone? A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied with very heavy rains. That is the cyclone. A flood or cyclone can be predicted most of the times. Warning and advice are given to the people repeatedly over the radio and TV. the people become alert and ready for the situation. So these both the conditions are very harmful for life also, property also. Now next one is a tidal waves. Next one, tidal waves. So everybody come to page number 226. You know what is tidal waves? Tidal or storm waves are also known as tsunami. Tidal or storm waves are also known as tsunami. Everybody come to this page number 226. A tsunami. Tsunami is caused by an undersea earthquake or by a surf cyclone. Storm waves from the sea come rolling towards the shore. They strike suddenly and cause great damage on the seashore within a second. That's why this tsunami is very harmful. You know what is the height of this tidal waves? The waves as height 15 meter have been recorded. These giant waves travel at a speed of around 800 km per hour. These giant waves travel at a speed of around 800 km per hour. So this result in a destruction of life and property also. On 26 December 2004, an earthquake measuring on 9.0 on Richter scale hit off the coast of Indonesia. So this tidal waves, within a few seconds they destroy full life and earth also. Next one, drought. You know what is a drought? Drought is caused by dry conditions. Drought is caused by dry conditions. If a particular area receive no rain or less rain than the normal for a long period of time, it is said to be affected by a drought. It is not only the lack of rainfall that cause drought. Hot, dry winds, high temperature and evaporation of moisture from the grounds can result in drought. Drought affected area, the people is suffering from different types of problem. Which type of problem they are facing? People wait for help come in the form of food, water, medicine from nearby places or agencies. India has faced 3 major drought in the 20th century. You know which are the main years? 1904, 5, 1965, 66 and 1986 and 87. So these are the main natural disasters. When these natural disasters caused, they simply destroy the life and property also. So whenever this the communication system give the pre-information, communication system means TV and radio, give the pre-information about this natural disaster. So people have to take care about this natural disasters. What are the main natural disasters? Earthquakes, flood, cyclone, tidal waves and drought. Student, the question answer and exercise I will give you in the group. Take care and save yourself. Bye.